Start with how dumb your mama was.
Yeah, you know how dumb your mama was. Every year they brought these little cans about that big around, they looked like brass, and they were about yay high, and you had to put a poopy specimen in it and bring it back to be analyzed to see if you had hookworms. Fredner was constipated, but she thought she had to bring poop in there. She reached over and got a little bit of Joffrey's and put it in there. So when the results came back,
She was eating
he
up with
had hookworms. He was eat up with hookworms. So they thought she was eat up with hookworms. She had to take the medicine and dang near died. Taking that medicine.
She'd have died before she would have been.
That was Tobacco Road with a detour off of Tobacco Road, wasn't it?
And you remember Johnny having that,
Carla, give that girl a seat.
No, I'm fine. I've been sitting all day, really.
We're
I'm
gonna
gonna have
you
to
know
sit
you
all
can drag
night.
you one up from
Oh, I'm fine.
anywhere.
She has to
promise.
drive Miss Daisy
I've
back.
been sitting, and I got another 3 hours in the car with her, so I need to stretch my legs.
Oh, I was going to tell you one on Johnny like that too. That's